Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Realtor.com for rental property buyer outreach, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Realtor.com for rental property buyer outreach, start by visiting the official Realtor.com website. Create a user account if you don't already have one. Click on the sign up button, typically located in the top right corner. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After creating your account, log in with your new credentials. Navigate to the Property Insights section on the homepage. Look for options related to rental properties and select the appropriate category. Explore the available resources and tools designed to assist realtors with rental listings. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features, including leads management and customer outreach tools. Use the search bar to find rental properties in your desired area. Check the filters available to refine your search by location, price, and property type. Once you identify potential properties, take note of relevant details for follow-up. Contact the property owners or listing agents through the provided contact information. Prepare a professional message outlining your interest and any questions you may have. Build a relationship by engaging with property owners regularly. Consider utilizing Realtor.com's marketing tools to promote your own rental listings. Stay updated with market trends by subscribing to newsletters or alerts from Realtor.com. Monitor your outreach efforts and maintain records of your interactions. Evaluate the responses you receive to adjust your strategy as necessary. Continue to leverage Realtor.com's resources for additional market insights and support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.